Once you get over there and you say a few words and she talks to you, I promise it's good. Y'all just gotta stop stopping at the first barrier, dog. Once you break that, the rest is just free game, bro. This is how you start approaching girls, bro. First thing you need to do is embrace the nerves, bro. Let me tell you something. I approached hundreds of girls, bro. I approached a lot of girls in my life, bro. And all the times I really approached them, about 60% of the time, I was nervous. Just like you. Like, you see a girl, your heart beating, you thinking, like, oh, what should I say? Oh, shoot, I hope I don't get rejected. I had the same thoughts, bro. But guess what? I still did it, though. And a lot of times, it still worked out. I still ended up getting the number. I still ended up getting the Snapchat. Your head is just lying to you, bro. A lot of times, these thoughts in your head is cap. You assume, oh, she don't like me, or she may think this. Go up and see for yourself. A lot of times, you might be nervous to approach a girl, but it's the fact that you do it in spite of that's going to gain you the confidence. Because what's the definition of bravery? Doing something in spite of fear. Doing something you are afraid of. Not doing something you're not afraid of. Next thing you need to do, man, is stop waiting on the perfect time. We all didn't had that one friend that you go to the parties and he's like, bro, I see this girl right here, bro. I'm about to slide. Oh, no. Oh, she next to her friend right there. So maybe I shouldn't slide. Maybe in like 10 minutes when her friend goes to the bathroom, I promise you I'm gonna slide. Her friend go to the bathroom, right? You're looking at your homie, right? He's still over there checking the weather app. He ain't even texting nobody over there. He ain't even go up and talk. You like, hey, bro, what's up? Like, why you ain't talk to her? Oh, bro, the song ain't right. The lighting's off and shut up, bro. If you're one of those dudes, stop it. Stop making those excuses, bro. There is no perfect time, bro. A lot of y'all wait for these perfect times. And even when the perfect time come, you still ain't doing it. Why? Because the perfect time is just putting more pressure on yourself. You're like, okay, when this happens, I have to do it. And if I don't do it, then I'm a failure. Bro, you have to understand that when you see the girl and you know you want to approach her, it's best to even approach her. Say she got 3 friends with her. I hit up your homie and say, hey, bro, come with me real quick, you know, so I can talk to this girl. Just distract the friends real quick. Be a little decoy. Do that. If not, your friends ain't there, guess what? You got to go up there and still talk to her, bro. Just do it anyway. Just introduce yourself to all 3 of them and talk. It ain't gonna be a perfect situation, but the more you can just go ahead and just say screw it, the better you are. Next point is don't obsess over the result. This is a huge problem, bro. A lot of y'all connect whether you get the girl number or whether y'all don't with how well you get girls. You get a girl number, you're like, oh yeah, I'm on top of the world. I'm a king. I'm him. I get all the girls, yeah. And then you get rejected and you're like, oh, I'm a loser, bro. Like, I don't even know how I even approach, bro. Every girl just don't want me. Like, stop getting in those modes, bro, because you have to always have your same self-worth. No matter whether a girl reject me, whether a girl want me, I still have the same beliefs of myself. I still feel I'm confident. I still feel I'm attractive. I still feel like I can get girls. I still have this confidence in myself. So if this girl turned me down, it's like, okay, I'm still Jeremy. I'm still cool. But if this girl does like me, it's like, okay, you like me because, yeah, I'm me. Reason y'all self-esteem is so messed up is because of y'all homies, bro. You ever go up and approach a girl, you get rejected and your homies all laugh at you? Bro, you got rejected. Ooh, they standing on the wall over here like these. Mind spectating, and you making the shot, you actually trying to talk to a girl, and then when you get rejected, they laugh at you. When this type of stuff happens, it messes with your confidence because it makes you feel like if I don't get success, then people are gonna think I can't get girls or this and that. And that's not true. That girl just was not the one for you. Y'all just wasn't compatible. Next thing you gotta work on is your body language. Before you start approaching a girl, bro, you should be shoulders back, you know, your chest up. Like, say she in front of you, bro, you should kind of be like looking at her when you're going up to approach her, not looking down on your phone, checking your weather app, or looking to the side. Look at her, bro. Y'all think girls are some mythical creatures like you never seen a girl before, bro. You have, bro. Literally, God created man and woman. It's your birthright to be able to get a girl, bro. So stop feeling unconfident and showing that in your body language that you scared, bro. Go up there like you good, straight like that, because girls see stuff like this as just confidence. So many other guys be over there looking scared like little dogs in corners. If you go up there and you looking like a confident dude, bro, I'm telling you, even if she wasn't attracted to you, she's a little more attracted to you now when you started approaching her. Straight up. Say you approach a girl and you still nervous, it's all good. Click on this video right here. It's gonna tell you tricks of never get nervous around girls. I'm catch you in that video, bro. All right.